Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Identify your Cherokee's Uconnect version and whether the current head unit supports CarPlay. Once done, choose the approach. Replace head unit or use a plug-and-play adapter, because installation differs. You'll need a replacement head unit rated for CarPlay or a certified adapter, plus a wiring harness and basic tools. Make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS and have an Apple-certified Lightning cable. This reduces connection errors and ensures stable data transfer during setup. You now perform the physical installation. First, remove dash trim carefully. Label every screw and connector so reassembly is painless. If installing a new head unit, mount the stereo with a dash kit and connect the adapter harness to avoid splicing. If using an adapter, plug it into the factory harness and route the module behind the dash. Connect power, ground, antenna, and external mic, because clear audio and stable power are why CarPlay works reliably. Finally, secure all cabling away from moving parts and heat sources. You finish by powering the system and completing setup. Enable CarPlay in the Uconnect or aftermarket head unit settings, then connect your iPhone with the Lightning cable. Follow on-screen prompts to allow CarPlay and enable Siri, since voice controls are required. Test apps, calls, and audio playback, then try wireless CarPlay if supported. If something fails, reboot the phone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, try a different certified cable. Reset the head unit, and check vehicle fuses. These steps resolve most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.